How to delete Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to delete Blockman Go. Deleting Blockman Go is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Setting. Go to the Setting app on your mobile device. Navigate to Apps. Scroll down and select App or Application. The wording may be different based on your device. Find Blockman Go. In the list of installed apps, locate and tap on Blockman Go, or you can search it in the search bar. Clear cache and data. It's optional. Tap on storage, then clear cache and data to delete all the data of game. Uninstall the game. Tap on the uninstall button. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm that you want to uninstall the app. This will delete all the games and its data from your device. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can delete Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.